Hello guys, welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your old ceiling light to this. So let's get started. First we're gonna start by removing the old ceiling light and make sure to turn off the power. Oh, someone didn't finish the job. Anyways, we're gonna remove the wires. And now we're gonna remove the old bracket so we can install the new one. And guys, this is the new ceiling light. You can see it's so easy to install. This is the bracket. You can remove it this way. And once installed, you can always fix the ceiling. As you see over here, the ceiling is not finished, so he'll be able to do it. Just make sure once you install the bracket that it's not upside down, or else you're gonna have to remove it and reinstall it again. I'll be using these connectors. They are included in the package. Once you install them, just make sure to pull a bit on the wire. Make sure it will not come out once it's installed. It's very, very important. And now it's time to install our LED light. It comes with two wires. You have the white that goes with the white, which is neutral. Black goes with black, which is the hot wire. And now it's time to turn it on. Guys, this is a 12-inch LED light. It's amazing. Over here you have the switch that you can change from warm white, neutral white, or cool white. So you can choose which light you want. And now we have to make sure to place the wires inside. And you guys gonna see it's so easy to install. All you need to do is to place it into position and turn it a bit, and the job is done. Check this out guys, from total darkness to complete brightness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under fixitsamo, and we'll see you next time.